welcome to today's video. Today's video is something I have been wanting to do and then share with you for so long. Don't ask me too many questions about this right now because I'm also confused about how much I should/can tell you. The one thing I will tell you, which I think I should tell you by now because it's kind of in the bio of that particular Instagram profile as well, is the big reveal on the secret project that I know I have been mentioning on and off for over like a year at this point to you guys, is 1st of October, inshallah. Go ahead and follow your girl's Instagram page over here. It's a whole new one and I don't want to talk about it and I don't want to get into it, but I want to let you know that you guys should follow it because I'm so excited and I'm bursting to talk about it. Today we're going to be doing an IKEA haul, specifically an IKEA Mumbai haul, because everything I'm showing you in today's video is stuff that I went to Vashi, Navi Mumbai and bought from the IKEA store. I put up an Instagram story a while ago asking you guys whether it's worth it to make a run to the store or whether everything's available online, and most of you told me that with the furniture and the bigger pieces, everything that's online is basically everything that is also available in the store, but when it comes to decor and little things, it's the store that really has a lot to offer. And thank you so much for that advice because you were absolutely correct. I got to find so many little things that I probably wouldn't have chanced upon on their website, but I found in the store because the entire store is really nicely done. Let me not make this intro any longer. Grab a cup of chai. I have no idea how long this video is going to land up being. My cup of chai is literally right here. Or pani piyo. Pani piyo. Drink water, hydrate yourself, whatever you prefer, because I want to show you everything I bought. PS, there were also 3-4 things that I saw in the showroom section that I forgot to buy and pick up from the marketplace. So there is going to be 3 to 4 things that I'm ordering online. Us haul ko hum alag se batayenge kisi vlog mein. We'll share it with you. Like I'll share it with you then. But I'll make sure to share it with you. Okay, let's not make this intro any longer and let's dive right into it. Okay, so I'm gonna go in a completely random order. I know it looks like I'm sitting in the middle of a nursery. I kind of am, but all the flowers around me are artificial flowers. I do not have a green thumb. I tried to have a basil plant for a while in the lockdown. I don't think it made it to month 3, which is really sad. I also didn't make a lot of effort with it, to be entirely honest. But there's a lot happening in terms of there are a lot of new spaces being done up around here and in other places. Let me not get into it. But let's just get into this, okay? So I really want to first of all take you through this huge flower situation I have happening around me. Let me not make you wait for the best for the last. I'm wearing pajamas down. Let me not make you wait for the best for the last. My absolutely favorite piece of artificial flowers are over here. There's this fake, I shouldn't call it fake because it sounds fake, but like artificial cherry blossom plant situation going on. I absolutely love how it looks. It has so many different shades of pink with gradients and just light and dark pink going on this. I would have thought it was a real plant till I went really close and then realized it wasn't real. It obviously comes with its own little black pot with fake soil and everything. I have bought other pots that I will show you that I plan to keep this in. You'll see this kept in very specific places in the time to come and in the videos to come. But I love how this looks. It's so pretty and it's so cute. This was my favorite purchase. Like, I was so worried about damaging or bending like these parts of the plant in the car while bringing it back. I also bought this little plant pot kind of like stand just to prop it up a little bit if need be. Don't know if I'm going to use it much, but I plan on using it nevertheless. Then I have these 3 long stems of just really beautiful leaves. I wish I could tell you what tree they're supposed to be from, but I really can't because like I said, I don't have much information on flora, fauna. Florals then also maybe a tad bit sometimes here and there, but I'm just really not into it. I don't have much knowledge on it, but I wish I could know more. So maybe with time I'll learn. But there are just 3 individual long stems of these leaves over here that I bought separately. I basically bought these to keep inside this beautiful transparent vase. It's not really cylindrical because it's a little bit going in, a little bit tapering. Again, this is very long stem friendly. I really like the minimal vibe of it. It won't take too much space in terms of visually, but of course it's really big otherwise. Then I bought another little artificial plant over here. It just looks so nice and lush. Like, again, this is something that could totally look real, but it isn't. And once again, I bought another plant. Now I might shuffle like the vases and the pots around just a tad bit, but this white one over here is really pretty too. It has this little self dotting that almost makes it look like leather going all around it, but obviously not. It's proper glass. It just reminds me of a certain leather I know I've seen somewhere. But these vases and stuff are so nice and feel so nice too. I'm gonna throw up prices on the screen to you guys as and when I show you a piece. Okay, another vase I picked up, which I think is so cute. My voice is echoing inside it. That's a really weird thing to do. Is this little milk jug looking vase? Well, it's not a milk jug. I mean, you could totally use it as one, I guess, but it's from the vase section, I swear, and I love how it looks. I also picked up a whole bouquet of white and green, white flowers and like greens to keep inside it. Doesn't it look so pretty? This is a whole bouquet that comes as is, so you do get individuals of the flowers and stuff like that, and then sometimes you get these little bunches, and I just think it looks really nice. Obviously I am going to cut the bouquet thing together and let it go in so it like really spreads really nicely and all of that, but that's something I really love as well. Then I picked up this little beautiful gold pot. Again, there's going to be flowers that go inside it. Isn't it so pretty? I bought a lot of like random flowers add-on, which I know I will place and have a lot of place to put considering how many vases and all I bought. I got these random like 6-7 white flowers over here. I'm definitely going to place them in one of the pots. I also bought some greens to put with it. Again, more artificial stuff. It's all artificial, you guys. I obviously have to sit and do the arrangement, but basically it's all gonna land up like this in this. I need to sit and do it nicely, take the tags off and all of that. I'm also showing you the ghar ki cheezein I bought in this, by the way. Then I bought this ceramic mat, absolutely beautiful. It's not a pure white, it's a slightly grayish white little vase. Again, it's a pot really more than a vase, but there's just so much stuff I bought that I'm sitting around and I'm like, oh my god, I love these pieces. This was my first time to IKEA in India in general, by the way. I have been to IKEA outside India, and since I obviously haven't been to the one in Hyderabad, this is my first IKEA experience in India. I picked up these little napkins. They are so soft, and when I saw the price, I was like, are you serious? It's like 100 rupees for a set of 4 if I remember correctly. So I bought 2 of these really nice blush toned pink ones, and I picked up 2 of the grey ones. Where's my second grey one? Second grey one over here. These are really nice and soft, very face friendly as well. And one of the things I do at home in my bathroom, if you've seen my bathroom organizing video, I basically keep a mix and match of some of the napkins in baskets in both of my bathrooms. I don't keep like one napkin hanging at a time. I like to have a basket full of napkins in both of my bathrooms, so that when there are guests or even for us, it's just nice to see something kept nicely as opposed to just one napkin hanging that everybody uses through the day. It's also the more hygienic thing to do, I guess. I use that napkin through the day, and so does Jerry, and so does Paro Khala, and then obviously you wash it and get on to something else. I bought this little platform cleaning thing with a little sponge squeaky thing on top. Looks really nice, black and silver. We saw this in a red as well, which I think my mom picked up. If you see my energy just slightly low today, it's not that I'm not in a great mood. I'm in a good mood, but I just have a lot of like lower back pain. I got my period this morning, so I'm really excited, like in my head and in my heart, to be able to share this with you. But at the same time, I'm also like struggling a little bit with a little lower body pain, so just like a little bit of a disclaimer there. I also bought 2 sets of these 12-piece Mopsig cutlery. Sorry, I'm always mixing up crockery with cutlery. I really like the shape of these spoons and fork and the baby spoons as well. I also looked up the knives, the butter knives from this, but I didn't like the shape of it. So I landed up buying knives from the Dragon set, which is a different set over there. The minute I showed my mom what I bought, because we went shopping together, and before checkout, like I was showing her everything I threw into my cart, because we got separated ना वहाँ पे, हम सब साथ में नहीं थे, like थोड़े अलग हो गए थे. She was like same set का क्यों नहीं लिया? And I was like मुझे इस set के चम्मच और कांटे पसंद नहीं आए और मुझे इस set के knives पसंद नहीं आए. So I went rogue and just picked up 2 different types of things. This is what I liked. I bought this beautiful matte soap dispenser. It is so luxurious looking. I love how it looks. There was also a completely identical matching toothbrush holder, which is basically the same thing, but it's half. So it's like cut in half, imagine. Just a toothbrush holder. But since this is not for our master bedroom, I did not get that. I also got one more soap dispenser, which is this one over here. This one is just for the kitchen. We already have one in the kitchen, but it keeps falling and I have a feeling it's going to break one of these days. This one is really nice. It's glass and it looks really nice. So I decided to get one more for the kitchen. I also got, now I don't know exactly where I'm going to place this. I might put this inside my makeup cupboard, let's see. But I saw them and you know sometimes you see these little knick-knacky things and you're like, le lo, pata nahi kahan kab, but kaam to aayega. They kind of look like soap dishes, but they're not soap dishes. Oh god, I hope that's not what I bought. Did I buy soap dishes for my makeup cupboard? It doesn't really specify what it is. Anyway, there are these little like white little dishes. It's burning out but I'm bringing it close. It's like just these little white dishes that now make me feel like I picked up soap dishes. But I feel like they'll be really handy for me to store like my hairpins, safety pins, little knickknacks. I currently do have a small flat tray, those really pretty Instagrammy ones that an Instagram brand sent to me. I can't remember which one. Quite a while ago. If you've seen my makeup storage organizing video, then you know which one I'm talking about. But again, because this has some depth, I feel like this will be really helpful in maintaining it in one place. And just from the storage point of view, it's plain. It has a little bit of a, not glossy, but like an injection finish on the outside. But it's very matte on the inside and I like that about it. I also picked up, literally so close to checkout at IKEA, this ironing board. Now I don't currently have an ironing board in the house because Parokhala doesn't like to iron standing. So I found this ironing board that has really short legs, which means she likes to sit and iron things, so she can still do that, but she won't have to bend so far anymore. And she's like, why did you get me an ironing board? I don't like to use an ironing board. And I was like, no, this is something I think you like. So when she saw this, she was like, ooh, okay, I'll give it a shot type. I hope she likes it because it's basically for her, right? To convenience her. Currently what we're doing in the house is she places like a bunch of chadars and irons things, but I don't like that because I feel like she has to take a lot of effort to put that together every time. I'm hoping that something like this will be more convenient to her. It's a decent size as well, and it's something that will fit inside my cupboard too, because storage of these things also is something one has to consider. Okay, then I bought 2 of these. Now these are basically white storage boxes. They come like this, literally, because they're cardboard. But I'll show you what they look like after you like DIY them. DIYing them takes like literally 10 seconds. You just have to fold it around. मैंने जो डब्बा इसको दूसरे वाले को DIY करके fold around करके किया है. Oh my god, I just broke it. It's cardboard and I pulled it and I think I put too much pressure on the dhakkan. But this is what it looks like. It's pretty full and it's pretty heavy, but it's a simple box. It's easy to move things around in. She says while she struggles, but it's full of things. Not a smart move. I also bought this little file holder. Again, I don't know why I fill things up in so much excitement that this is what it looks like. It has a bunch of my files in it. This is the shape. This is how it is. The office, my home office. Have you seen my home office store? My home office is just, let's just say, getting a makeover, and I had to move around a lot of things, so I just dumped a bunch of files in this. Then I got 2 of these airtight dabbas for the kitchen. Again, transparent, white, really simple. If you eat some snacks that need to be kept in airtight dabbas, and stuff like this is really handy. They had bigger sized ones as well, but I didn't opt for those. I just got 2 chotus instead. Jerry wanted one of these toolkits, so we picked up one of these. There's a hammer, and then there are other tools that I don't know names of. Oops. And I don't know why I tried, but yeah, orange pretty looking toolkit thing, and I was like, you need it? Okay, let's get it. Then I got these stickies. Now these stickies are really convenient to put in your kitchen. You could also put it inside your bathroom. This is really convenient just to hang like on your kitchen wall if it is open at the moment, which mine is. I just plan on hanging different types of napkins over there, like meant for different things. So you do get like panels also that kind of all have hooks on them, but I don't necessarily want them to be all together or all in one line or all on one side of the gas or stuff like that. So basically there are these 4 wall pasties hangies, and I plan on using them in my kitchen. Okay, now I bought 5 of these plastic dabbas. Are they plastic? Is it plastic or acrylic? I think it's plastic. And really nice. It has a little cut over here. If you see, this is what the shape looks like from the front. It's really nice, super sturdy, and I got this to like store a lot of like the inventory kind of stuff. I have 4 more of them over here. Basically I bought a total of 5 because I wanted to place one in the kitchen, and I thought I would use some of these inside my office just to store things. Again, super handy, super comfortable to have on hand. Oh my god, am I through everything? But I have an order going through in the next, like today, tomorrow at some point, because I know there are 3-4 things more that I absolutely need to buy, that I either forgot to buy on the way out or that I didn't see in the marketplace section. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. Whatever from here that I find online as well, I will leave down below in the info box. I will leave links to. This video is not sponsored by IKEA. I paid for everything. My bill for everything over here was around 14,000-ish something, and I got a whole lot of things, so that's really not so bad. A lot of this is going to be put to use for work, and you guys will see stuff really soon. Little reminder to go hit that bell button, follow my Instagram handle, follow the other Instagram handle I told you guys about, because I promise you will not regret it. The Where Fan comment shout out for the day goes to Simar Preet. Thank you so much for talking to me in the comments, you guys. You know I'm always reading, liking, hearting, responding to each and every one of you. Let's keep that conversation going. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what your favorite item over here was, or tell me what you'd like for me to do next on my channel. I will see you guys in the next one. I love you so much. Bye.